easily talk to their client. बिकॉज इंडिया में ज्यादातर लोगों को सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि लिखना क्या है, वो लिख तो कहीं से भी देते हैं, बट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कम्युनिकेशन की
Small short intro of yours, like what you're doing, your profession kind of stuff.
Okay, sure. So I am currently in a college and doing my bachelor's in BCom. Second year, I have given the exams, and right now I'm doing making a channel of in a YouTube. But I am I am shy guy, so
Okay.
not doing that. And also I'm doing digital marketing and helping my clients. Uh, I have done copywriting. So this is a small intro I'm just doing and making videos on Rahul's VIP.
Okay, so you're doing great actually. So you know what, before joining the communication mastery course, I'm like so much introvert guy. I don't want to
Same here.
talk, even have a very right.
Yeah.
But after joining the course, I'll start interacting with the people genuinely, and like I feel good after interacting with the people. And it's like I see like matlab a different version of myself I can see.
Even I also मेरा भी मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम है, तो मतलब अंदर से थोड़ा सा हेजिटेट
हाँ
हो रहा है
होता है.
कि
अच्छा ये फर्स्ट लाइव है.
यस,
Oh my
मैंने अभी
god.
तक नहीं किया.
Oh my god. But yeah, you are doing good actually here. A little bit
Yeah.
nervousness. मैं तो जब फर्स्ट लाइव किया था ना, तो मेरे को पता भी नहीं यहाँ पे लोग भी आते हैं क्या. तो मैं ऐसे किया, फिर कुछ लोग आए, कुछ लोग चले गए. अच्छा मैं फिर अच्छा ये क्या हो रहा है, कुछ लोग आ रहे हैं. बट आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्ट डूइंग लाइव एंड थोड़ा सा समझ में आने लगा हो क्या रहा है. देन मतलब अच्छा लगता है. अभी तो लाइव आना काफी अच्छा लगता है, नॉर्मल हो गया है इन जनरल.
Marketing as a freelancer, I am also working and also learning things. Even this year I'm just going to start up my company, but
वाओ दैट्स ग्रेट.
just अभी तो learning ही
Okay.
progress.
So for freelancing, what you did actually in past couple of months, or you can say that couple of month.
Yeah, sure. So I have earned a lot of money through copywriting. So
Okay.
what I have do is I have many groups. In that I have tell people that I am doing this, and if you want to uh, take my help, then I will give you this, and I will show my things that जो भी मैंने
Result.
किया है अभी तक.
Okay, okay.
एज अ टेस्टिमोनियल मैंने दिखाया उनको. तो और एज अ फ्रीलांसर वेबसाइट्स देयर आर फीवर एंड मेनी मोर. तो
Fiverr,
हाँ,
freelancer.com, work per
या
hour
हाँ
like
हाँ
that.
हाँ, सेम. या तो वहां से मेरे को प्रोजेक्ट्स इजीली मिल जाते हैं. और हमारा एक ग्रुप था जहाँ से मैंने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सीखा था, IIDM. सो वहां से भी
Okay.
मेरे को इजीली मिल जाते हैं अभी भी.
Okay. You know what? Even I have also uploaded my profile on freelancer, but I haven't got any kind of work still.
You have to update your portfolio, I think.
Okay. I mean, even I'm not watching that since couple of months as well.
नहीं
That what
नहीं
will
ना.
be happening.
Acha. So you have
Yeah.
to daily watch it and update it.
So let's start with the basic question that what copywriting mean for you?
Copywriting means that you are translating something in, let's suppose you are my client and you say that, Ansh, you have to write this article in English, and I will tell you these things in Hindi, and just translate that, and as per word, uh, freelancers are charging that things. So in starting I'm not charging much, as now if a copywriter has experience, then they are charging one word, one, I
One
think.
rupee per word.
Yes, haha, 1 rupees. So but I
Okay.
am before I am not charging that. So this is what copywriting. हम जो मतलब जो भी हमें हिंदी टू इंग्लिश और जो भी हमें आते हैं, जैसे आर्टिकल्स लिखना और ब्लॉग्स लिखना, ब्लॉगर्स डॉट कॉम पे, और लोग ब्लॉगिंग से भी पैसे कमाते हैं, तो वो लोग जिन पे टाइम नहीं होता है तो वो हमें देते हैं, और उसके लिए हम लोग जो उनके लिए आर्टिकल्स लिखते हैं, एंड देन वी विल चार्ज फॉर इट.
Okay, okay. So next question that I have, if someone wanted to start their journey in copywriting, then what are the steps that they have to take at the beginning?
Okay. So,
Like, I mean, you can say how you have just started your journey as well.
yeah. So first of all, if they are want to become a copywriter, so I think they have to first improve their English and communication so that they can easily talk to their client. Because इंडिया में ज़्यादातर लोगों को सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि लिखना क्या है, वो लिख तो कहीं से भी देते हैं, बट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कम्युनिकेशन की दे टॉक इजीली नहीं कर पाते हैं. एंड
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
एंड सेकंड थिंग इज दैट कि अगर करियर उनको स्टार्ट करना है तो उनको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सीखना पड़ेगा एज अ कॉपी राइटर्स. और देयर आर मेनी वेबसाइट्स दे कैन इजीली अर्न हाउ दे कैन डू दैट. जैसे यूडमी है एक वेबसाइट
Yeah, yeah.
जहाँ से वो ये सब सीख सकते हैं. जैसे आजकल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग पहले बहुत सारी लोग इसमें पैसे बहुत ज्यादा ले रहे थे, बट यूडमी में ऐसा है कि कम इजीली यू कैन पे
बहुत placement
लेस.
कर दिया.
हाँ.
Right,
एंड यू
right,
कैन लर्न मोर थिंग्स. तो
right.
वहां से वो लोग सीख सके अपना पोर्टफोलियो कैसे बनाते हैं एंड हाउ टू अपडेट योर पोर्टफोलियो ऑन दैट वेबसाइट एंड उनको कैसे क्लाइंट्स मिलते हैं, वो इजीली वो वहां से एक कोर्स से सीख सकते हैं. एंड
Okay,
देन दे विल चार्ज
okay. Then
डू
the
एज
very
अ.
first thing is that they need to work upon their communication because we need to interact with the people, right?
यस, यस,
And then we have to learn the copywriting from maybe Udemy and kind of stuff, and then they just start their journey. They can start their journey.
यस.
So nowadays in digital marketing field, it is so vast. But you know what, copywriting, even I just realized it's so very important. So according to your point of view, why copywriting is so very important in digital marketing?
अच्छा, या copywriting इसलिए is very important just because if we want to sell something, so we can sell through only words, or we
Right.
can sell through videos. So this is why copywriting is very important. In every business they need to write something, even in Hindi or even in English or any of the
English.
language. So they have
Right.
to write. That's why we some businesses, big businesses, hire copywriters so that they can easily make funnels and sales pinch copies. So I am also making like that copies and pinch to my clients so that they can copy that things and make their product जो भी उनको जैसे करना है. एंड
Okay, okay.
सेकंड थिंग इज दैट कि उस कंटेंट में जो भी हम लोग लिखते हैं पैल्गरिज्म नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज मोस्टली
What is this?
व्हेन पैल्गरिज्म मींस कि योर कंटेंट और योर article is not to be copied, because mostly people
Okay,
what they
okay,
are
okay.
doing is they can copy others articles and they can
Paste it
paste
there.
that. Yeah. So ये भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
that's great. I'm
इस
learning as
yeah,
and see, this is what the big advantage for me. I just took live and just learning with the people, and that's great learning for me. I can say that.
yeah, very, yeah.
Yeah. you can go ahead.
Even I am also learning from you, yeah, through your videos virtually.
Thank you so much. And now next question that we have, like, how much revenue we can generate as a freelancer while we are starting our copywriting journey?
If I told my, then I earn 2 to 3 lakhs in a year, and that is not bad for a student who is in second year. So, if you are a full-time copywriter or part-time, then you have to l- then you have to interact with many people. You have to tell that you
Okay.
are this a copywriter, and you have daily interact with many of the businesses. So then projects will obviously come through you.
Okay, okay. And next thing is like, because in digital marketing there are a lot of stuff like SEO, copywriting, and a lot of stuff actually, right? So why do you choose copywriting?
Just because I want to improve my English, and second thing is that uh, second is that कि मेरे को इसी में आगे बढ़ना था. मतलब I love this copywriting That's why.